Hi, my name is Tommy, and I'm the founder and CEO of Frase. And we're trying to build the AI company for the answer economy. Answer economy is this term we created. It's defined by these two big trends I think all of us are aware of. First of all, Google is really answering questions. This happens now. 15% of all Google queries return a direct answer. And voice search is really taking over. It's expected to be about 30 to 50% of all queries are going to be powered by voice search. Now, this is what we call the answer economy. And the point is that consumers are pretty much expecting answers to their questions. And what I found, to my surprise, is that most websites are not really ready for this new paradigm. Today, you go to a website and you use maybe a sitemap, a navigation menu, site search, many times it's not even there, and now you have chatbots everywhere. Now, the problem with chatbots is that they are not, in my opinion, they're not ready for this new economy. This is a case, very known company, you ask it a question, the answer is in the website, people are creating so much content, but these chatbots are not able to actually find the answer in the site. So I was digging deeper into this problem, and I went ahead and asked the same question to another 100, some of the best well-established B2B SaaS companies, and to my surprise, only 23% answered the question, and most of them simply wanted my email. So, we kind of pivoted the company a little bit, and I will tell you how we got there, but we want to be the best answer engine for businesses, really building on these two big trends, the fact that search engines are becoming answer engines, and my belief that SEO is really becoming AEO. And we're right now trying to define what AEO means. It's kind of a new category, and we're trying to define the whole process into 3 stages. First, you need to research. You need to know what your customers are asking about, not only on your website, but also on Google. You need to be able to create content for those answers. So creating long-form content takes a lot of time, very time-consuming. So you need to be able to do that. And then you need to be able to actually have a website that can deliver answers. So now we have about 70 customers working with our research and create tools. And we are piloting the final piece of the puzzle, which is the answer engine. So I'm going to illustrate the importance of the answer engine with Baron. Baron has been a customer of Frase for about 6 months now. Many of you might know Ref. Ref is the leading speech-to-text solution. They do a lot of automated captions for video. And their website has over 1 million visitors per month. And they used to have intercom on their homepage. They had to remove it because they couldn't handle live chat. It was way too much. And they still get over 1,000 live chats per week, and more than half of those are left unattended. And this is the interesting thing about Ref and many other B2B SaaS websites. As you can see, in this case, they had to remove intercom. Now, intercom is only in what he calls the money pages, because intercom and others are really about conversion, really, bottom of the funnel experience. But then the other observation is that there is no site search. There is no way to find what you're looking for. Now, these guys are publishing through Frase about 10 articles per month. So there is plenty of content behind these things, but there is all kinds of friction that doesn't really help people find what they're looking for on their website. Now, our proposition here is that we are throwing in there front and center a way for people to access the website content through question answering and through voice search. This is kind of the experience we're going after. You should be able to ask a question. Our system takes in your full website, no tagging required, no upfront work required, and we're able to actually answer the question in the best possible way. We're trying to essentially, by helping you create content for your customers' questions, you want to be driving traffic to your site, automating answers, lower impression on live chat, and hopefully driving better conversion and better customer experience on your website. We're trying to be technically, you could put together a question answer system using Google and a bunch of APIs, but we are 100% code free. We want to put search and question answering in the hands of marketeers and content teams who are the ones that are actually creating that content. So we're really proud of the technology. We are state of the art on all the published benchmarks. We're really able to deploy these things in minutes. No upfront work required, no dialogues, no hardwiring. Yes, we take in your content and we allow question answering on top of it. So why us? We believe we're building a new category, what we call AEO. There's a lot of education to do here, but we're trying to define it. Everything what we've done and we do is 100% in-house. We don't use a single API. We are a bunch of engineers building this with our hands. And we've already been working with agencies for about a year. As I said, we have about 70 customers at this point. This is my team. It's, like I said, mostly it's been product focus. Tanya, Director of Marketing, just joined 6 months ago, so we're really striving to have a more proactive sales and marketing process. And well, this is a slide that really resonated with me from Michael, and when I first arrived, had my first meeting with Underscore, I was all over the place in terms of use cases because question answering can be used in so many different places. And they really pushed me to focus, focus, focus. I had to throw away, I had a really big POC with a huge company. I had to throw that away, and really, they really pushed me to focus. And this slide was pretty important for me. So in terms of an ask, if anyone kind of resonates with the answer economy, you feel like your website has a lot of content, but there is no real way to actually access that, I would love to talk to you. So thank you.